How to model perfect text tolerance like these. Add a shape or any model. Let's optimize the units for 3D printing. You can change the units to millimeter or centimeter here. Add a text of your choice. You can set a custom font from here. Press F3 and press Convert to Mesh. Our text is an editable mesh now. Before extruding, let's do a clean up. Ctrl+A to select all and press F3 and type in limited dissolve. Most of the edges in the middle have been cleaned out. Next, let's extrude the shape. When extruding, it is important to check the normals. I have it set as a shortcut and bound to quick favorites. As you can see, it is red. You can find the face orientation setting here. If you want to bind a key for it, right-click and press Assign Shortcut to flip the normals. Press Alt+N to open up this menu and click Flip. Let's position the text to where we want to cut with the shape. Press Shift+D to create a duplicate for our filler mesh. You can press H to hide it for now. Also, it is better to have it stay above the cutter shape, as it sometimes bugs the boolean modifier. Next, let's create the perfect snappy fit for our text for my 3D printer. Go into Edit mode and with face selection selected. Click on between the faces while holding down Alt key to select the entire loop. Repeat for the other texts as well. The trick is to use Blender Shrink and Fatten tool to create an asterisk print, tolerance offset of 0.2 millimeters. Once you have selected all the sidewalls, press Alt+S followed by 0.3 to fatten the walls outward by 0.3 millimeters. In order to make it easier to use booleans, go to the official Blender site and download this add-on by Nick Berkeley. To install, scroll to get add-on and simply drag and drop it into your Blender scene. Once you have the add-on, with the cutter shape selected first, select the object you want to cut into while holding the Shift key. To perform the cut, press Ctrl and then minus key on the numpad. If your keyboard does not have a numpad, you can open up this side panel by pressing N, with the cutter object selected first, followed by the object you want to cut while holding down Shift. Press the difference under Brush Boolean. This will give you the same result as the hotkey Ctrl and minus button on the numpad. You are now ready to print. I used a value of 0.3 millimeters to give the text some wiggle room. You can lower the value depending on how snappy you want the connection.
Two.